Look what I got in the mail today. 1/350 scale USS Enterprise 1701 original series from Tomy. Prestige Select collection. My box did take a hit there, and it's got some ruffle and buffles on the edges. Hopefully nothing's damaged on the inside. A little quick chunk there. This is from their Kickstarter that I funded. One of my low points last year. So it's been almost a year and a half. Finally here. Ooh. Oh wow. Oh, this is heavy. Oh my gosh, that's heavy. Deflector dish. Oh, they even gave us some batteries. I'm gonna pull them inside of here. Ooh, that is hefty. Hefty. Wow. Alright, before we start assembling, just want to give you a quick look at all the parts out of the box, out of the styrofoam. Instructions say to keep the saucer upside down when it's apart. That way you don't damage this piece right here, potentially. There's our star drive. Man, this sucker is heavy. So we're going to have batteries that go into here, and then batteries that go into there. There's our stand, a 2-piece. We have 3 Shuttlecraft. They are die-cast. Alright, first part, grab this, and don't forget this rod right here. 3 nubs go into this front stand. This is for the saucer section. Two screws, that's in. Those 2 nubs go into the Enterprise. This boxed in with nubs go down here. 3 screws. Probably easier if I just had it sitting on the table. Okay, that's secured. Saucer section batteries. Looks like we unscrew this piece. And there's a battery hatch there. We do need a screwdriver. Put the flat end on the spring end. Put the nub in on the flat end. That's it. Alright, another battery compartment here. Very similar design, except this one's going to use some AA's. Alright, on the deflector dish, 2 nubs, 2 little ears. One of them is smaller, so line that up with your keyway. Looks like smaller side is on. That part. And then there we go. Kind of like putting on a cap, bottle cap, clockwise to tighten. This heavy guy, gosh, it just sits on here. Yep, just like that. Oh my goodness. Here like this. Okay, there it is, displayed with the saucer separated. Star drive on a separate base. Went ahead and turned the lights on both sides. There are different settings for the lights. I'll show you that in a minute. But trivia, why did they do this other than to try to be unique? Because you may be saying to yourself, you know, they never showed saucer separation in the original series. Well, there were 2 episodes, actually 2, where it was talked about. And granted, they never showed it. They did talk about it. And bonus points for you. Type in the chats down below. What were those 2 episodes? If you can only name one, name one. I'll try to give you a shout out in one of the next vids, and we'll go over those episodes. I'll do a little snippet of those 2. But that's why they did it. Not saying I agree with focusing energy on that, because at that point, what is this? Just a life buoy, basically. Something has gone terribly wrong, especially in the original series, if you've had to do a emergency saucer separation. So that's why this one has this kind of base like this, where it has that extra support, because this thing is freaking heavy. This isn't a Polar Lights model. This is Diecast. Heavy, heavy, heavy. It's like an oversized toy. It's crazy. There she is, all put together, lights on, looking cool. Yes! I was concerned I would have to, and the instructions make it look like you need this base under the saucer when it's together, but mine seems to be okay. Granted, I mean, there's no positive lock up here. It's just sitting on those 2 posts, but it is a little heavy. So for long-term storage, it might not be a bad idea to slip that guy under there for long-term display, and take it out from under when you want a little more realistic looking ship there. Let's take a look inside the bridge. Alright, here is the side we didn't really see on the original series. You go look at the model, the original 6-foot model in the Smithsonian. I've been lucky enough to go see it. I saw it pre-restoration, pre-last restoration, so I'd like to get out and see it all lit up and fully restored. But if you know the lore, this side was like kind of the blank side that they fed cables through, so it's cool to have this as the quote pretty side. This is the side on my display. And lights for the saucer are independent, because you saw how it disconnects, but you just touch right here and it goes on and off. Now the star drive, and we do have the spinning Bussard collectors. You can make them go faster, and it looks like it looks legit in there, so that's pretty cool. Of course, you can turn them all off. Let's see. Super detailed in the shuttle bay, which is awesome. And our shuttles do fit in there. That's freaking cool. Of course, you can put the hatch on, close the shuttle bay doors. I could actually snap on there better, but I'm going to set it there, make it easy to get my shuttle out here in a sec. Woo! Alright. Let me turn the lights out. Alright, lights are dimmed. We can't get a complete dark. You just see the lights, but we got the kitchen light on in there. That's freaking cool. Let me know what you think. Post your comments down below. Maybe you built a Polar Lights version or whatever, but anyone else pick up this one from Tommy? It's heavy. It's cool. I dig it. Boom.